We're approaching a roundabout to take the fourth exit. We can see the green direction board. The fourth exit is on the right. It's heading towards A47 Peterborough and it's around 2 o'clock. There's 2 lanes at the moment, which will expand into 3 leading up to the roundabout. The left lane will go left, the middle lane will be going straight and left, and the right lane will go straight and right. We'll need to move into the right lane to go to the fourth exit. So let's move into the right lane. So checking the center, right door mirror signaling right, and when it's safe, gradually move over into the right lane. And we're going to position in the middle of our lane as we go around the roundabout. We'll cancel the signal once we've done the lane change, and we check the center right door mirror signal right again, so it's clear to everybody that it's not a forgotten signal and we're turning to the right of the roundabout. Now the roundabout is traffic light controlled, so we don't have to worry about giving way to any traffic coming from our right. And once we enter the roundabout, we're going to stick to the left lane marker. Now the left lane marker, as you'll see in a moment, will lead into the third exit. Now we're going to be going to the fourth exit, but we'd stick to the left lane marker as long as we can. I've just paused the video again just so we can recognize the lane splitting. Now this is our left lane marker and the right lane marker is the curb. And if you look very carefully, our lane is splitting into 3 lanes. So we have an option of choosing a lane that's marked right, and there's this middle lane that's going straight ahead, and there's a lane to the left of that which is going straight and left. There is a fourth lane to the left, but we're not able to use it. That's for the cars next to us. So remember, we'll be sticking to the left lane marker, which will take us to the lane marked left and straight. So we can see here the left lane marker is leading into the third exit. So what we need to do is drive past the entrance of the third exit, checking the center left door mirror and signaling left from this point and then leaving the roundabout. Now we've safely exited the roundabout. Check your center right door left door mirror, cancel the signal and keep moving.